To see more videos like this, click the subscribe button below. Click the bell and you'll be notified of new videos as they are produced.
Hey everybody! We're on a cruise from Boston to Montreal. And got our friends Mike and Julie. Carol's hiding back in the back there. Hi Carol! How are you? Good, we're in the Boston Harbor. How's the cruise so far?
Oh, it's beautiful. Wonderful.
These guys got this fabulous room on the back of the ship. Their anniversary. And what year?
23.
23. And they have this suite on the very back of the ship, which is the best room I've ever been on a cruise. Yeah. So
Probably never again.
So we're going to enjoy the cruise and we'll keep you posted as to how it's going. So we've reached our first destination of Bar Harbor, Maine, and the lifeboats, or the tender boats, leave right out from in front of our door, basically. They lower them down in the morning at about 6 a.m. and this is our door right here. Carol's in there. We have a little sliding door that opens right out to the deck. This is our room. It's kind of messy right now, but yeah, you can't really see it. And then out here we have a couple of little lounge chairs that are just for us. They say reserved. Hopefully nobody else will be sitting in them, but I doubt it. So we're walking along West Street, and there's a lot of beautiful old, I guess they were beach cottages when they were built, I don't know. Yeah. But anyway, we're coming up to Bridge Street, which you can walk out to the island. And that's where we're gonna go. We're gonna go down this way and follow all these people out to the island, because it's low tide. Time to go out there. So when you walk out to the island, you have to walk across this bar out here. And when the tide comes in, you don't have any way to get back. So just make sure you get back before the tide comes in. So one thing that's kind of unusual is that they have these gas lanterns that are throughout the town, and they're lit all day long. So we're walking through a cemetery in Bar Harbor, and we just noticed that on pretty much all the gravestones they put how old somebody was when they died and how long they lived, including years, months, and days. So like this one here, 62 years, 10 months, and 6 days. So that's pretty unusual that they would do that. So right now we're crashing a wedding that's happening in a little while later on today at the Bar Harbor Yacht Club. And we're not supposed to be here, but nobody stopped us, so we're walking around anyway. So we're riding on the Island Express bus, bus number 3 to Acadia National Park. And we just turned into the national park.
Approaching Sur de Mont Spring. This location includes the Wild Gardens of Acadia, Abbey Museum exhibits, and the Acadia National Park Nature Center. Hiking trails lead to the summits of Door Mountain, Cadillac Mountain, and Champlain Mountain.
There, see, I didn't even have to explain what it was. Anyhow, the bus ride is free, but you have to have a pass to get into the Acadia Park, which we happen to have a national pass, so it was all good. Just enough battery left to get a picture of the lobster roll. There it is.
Wait, take
Oh
one
yeah.
pickle.
So now we can leave Maine. We've got everything we need.